Crystal from the Rain Dance Ranch. So I got the Nile grass all trimmed up. As you can see, I cut off all the brown tips and I thinned it out. I took out about 20 stalks that I am now propagating in water. So it's thinned out pretty good. Took out all the dead pieces. So here's all the stuff that got taken out. So it looks presentable again. Oh, there's a couple pieces right there. Next time I come out to do some trimming, or I've got my little clippers, so there's still a few pieces on there that need to be trimmed off. But I'm doing an experiment with one container of water has these grass pieces with the flowers on them, and then the other ones have no flowers, like that. So we'll see how they do, because I'm not really sure. It seems like I have tried to propagate them with the flowers and they worked, but typically when stuff flowers, the plant itself, that part of the plant might lose life, and I'm not that familiar with the growth patterns of these at this point yet. Started these about 1.5 years ago from the propagations, but I still don't know that much. But yeah, it's a great plant. Thanks for watching. Crystal from the Rain Dance Ranch. When it rains, go out and dance.